Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can get sign in into the Kaplan University. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a kaplan.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of Kaplan University, you can see the option of sign in on top right side of the screen. You click on sign in. Now here, contact us and sign in. You need to scroll little down. Here you need to choose the reason first. Then you need to select the program about what you are looking for. You click on sign in. Now here you will see login form page where you need to provide your registered email address. Then provide your password. Here, after providing both the details, you click on login where you will get directly logged in into the Kaplan University. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get signed in into the Kaplan University. Thank you.